Using the RHCC cable. Insert the RH BluePeg probe with the connector towards the top. Use the black cylinder to push the probe down until the probe touches the bottom of the hole. Close the red cap. When ready to take measurement, have the cable and the meter ready, then remove the red cap. To grab the cable connector, you may need to push both black cylinders back a few inches. Then plug in the cable connector. Make sure not to move the RH BluePeg probe. To secure the cable connection, push the bigger outer cylinder into the lip of the sleeve, then push the smaller cylinder down as far as it will go. Now we are ready for measurements. Connect the other side of the cable to the RH meter. When you take measurements, press the read key. Once the value is displayed, press the hold key. The number in the lower left corner of the display represents the last 3 digits of a unique RH probe number. Push the down arrow to obtain the temperature value. Push the up arrow again to go back to RH mode. To remove the cable without removing the probe, hold both cylinders firmly in place with one hand, pull the cable out of the cylinder at least so far that you see the connector cover. Then, remove both cylinders and the cable. Make sure the cable does not fall back into the cylinder before you remove the cylinders. If the test is not finished, put the cap back on and repeat the measurement process later. At the end of the test, remove the RH probe by connecting the 3.5 mm plug to the probe. Then, pull the cable with the probe out of the hole. The black cylinders are not involved in the removal of the probe. If the probe is stuck in the hole, use the machine screw included. Place the screw into the RH probe where you would connect the connector. Tilt it slightly to one side and pull the RH probe out.